Before diving into your challenge, you'll want to find creative ways to get your students interested in a big idea. In this video, we'll share a few tips and resources to help you begin to engage students in an issue or challenge that is meaningful to them. As an educator, you may be used to using creative strategies to introduce a new topic to your students. Maybe you ask learners to notice or observe a new topic, invite students to share stories about how a topic connects to their lives or those of their family, connecting them with content experts who are already familiar with the field that they are researching, or breaking down the new topic into parts and determining how these parts are interconnected. Maybe you invite students to journal their initial reactions and thoughts on a new topic. When learners are able to notice, empathize with, connect to, and define a new topic that they really care about, they can begin to come up with questions based on what they've learned. Engaging activities help students to explore a concrete and actionable challenge guided by an essential question. Here are a few suggested tips to help you get started in the engage phase of your challenge. Begin a conversation that helps students define the big idea. Take time during this phase to discuss student opinions and perceptions of the big idea. Remember to create a safe and brave space for students to share their individual perspectives that are reflective of their community. Focus on a variety of ways to engage. We recommend that you use strategies that students are comfortable with at first, and then invite them to explore new ways to engage with the challenge. If you're looking for new activities to use, try filtering and favoriting engage activities located in the challenge library. Remind students to document their ideas. Resources like the Engage Phase Synthesis and Engage Activity Synthesis will help students reflect on the work they've completed while bringing together information they learned from the Engage activities that they participated in. We hope that these tips will help you to foster student agency while inspiring them to think big and take action.